We're on our way back from a visit up north, and we fancied taking a look at Winnats Pass in Derbyshire, so we took a little detour. We're Paul and Suzanne, and we'd love you to join us on our days out.
I remember the day when we started talking. We were kids and I knocked down all of your mobiles, but you did not seem to mind at all. We took our bikes to the lake after school each day and skipped many stones from the beach, and one thing you said was, listen, I will have your back away. And now we're grown up.
Have you been to Castleton before, Suzanne?
No, I don't think I have.
Yes, it's Castleton, not Castleford, Paul. Yeah, I've been.
You would know.
True, I suppose.
43 years married on Thursday.
Yeah,
48 years together.
long time.
So you would know, wouldn't you?
Yeah. We drove through Castleton and headed straight for the pass.
You're solid like a granite stone. It came very sudden the day when we moved away from what had been our home.
I lost the footage of driving up through the pass, but fortunately I had the door camera on. I love how, as we approach the bend, the right-hand side of the pass comes into shot. Right, back to Castleton, and let's go and have a look at the castle. Castleford's a lovely little place, isn't it, Suzanne?
It is, yeah. It's like being on holiday.
Do you think I should go for a walk to the top of the hill for the castle?
Yeah.
I did it again. It's Castleton, Paul, not Castleford. Yeah, really clear water, isn't it? Peak's Hole Water is a stream that runs through Castleton, and it's as clear as tap water. Castleton is a beautiful village with photo opportunities everywhere. It's quaint, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lovely spot you got there?
It is lovely.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Is it your own little spot?
No, we were only renting the cottage,
Oh, right.
so yeah, just dedicated to that cottage there.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Enjoy the evening sun. Right. So you're definitely not coming up to the castle.
No, I'm definitely not.
Who knew that there were opening and closing times to walk up the hill? Right, that's that plan dashed. I didn't realise, and neither did the guy I met up there, that it had opening times, but it does, so some other time. Closed at 5 o'clock, and it is now 5 o'clock. Time to get the drone up, I think.